fishing the Grand River again. On this little grub, I caught this pretty nice sized rock bass on my first cast on a new spot. Alright, let's have him go. Sweet. Diego just caught a little teeny gobe on a pretty big hook. I don't know why he grabbed it, but we're out of the Grand River. Pretty sweet. Chase?
I'm listening.
Talk about where we're fishing at. Teeny tiny bass. Alright, we're back up, dude. We're fishing this dried out river right next to the Grand River. It's really used to be really big, but it's got but I think it's gotten really small because it's dried out. It's got this little bass. Alright, let's go.